Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these custom patches. And you can make them any color, shape, size, and you can sew or paint them. In the comments down below, let me know which one of these patches is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. The first patch I'm going to show you how to make is this alien patch. You want to find a piece of thick fabric, like denim, and cut out a piece that's big enough for you to create your patch. And then you can draw an alien face or another shape onto the fabric. After you are done drawing the face, you want to draw over the alien face with a permanent marker. Now you want to put some thread of any color into a needle, and then you want to sew the thread onto the patch in any way that you would like. The way how I sewed mine was by starting at one side at the top of the patch inside of the border of the patch, and then I went to the other side. And I continued this all through the patch, and I also sewed this way around the eyes. I didn't sew the eyes or the border, but you can if you want. And don't pull the thread too hard because you can mess up your patch. All you have to do now is to cut the patch out and take the permanent marker to cover any spots, like the sides of the patch. You can attach all of these patches by sewing them onto whatever you would like. And you can also sew around each patch with any type of stitching. And now I'm going to show you how I made this ice cream patch. The first thing you want to do is to draw out your ice cream patch onto a thick fabric like denim, and then you can draw over again with a permanent marker. Now you can paint any color that you want. I took the colors blue and yellow to create a mint color. I did use acrylic paint, but if you're going to wash your patches, use fabric paint instead, because the acrylic paint will probably wash off. Now you can paint your patch any color that you want and wait for it to dry. Once the patch is dry, you want to put some thread of the same color as the cone on a needle and sew a pattern of a cone or any type of pattern that you want onto the cone. I use the same sewing technique as the alien, but I space out the thread. If you got paint on the border of the patch, you can clean up the patch with a permanent marker. And then you want to cut it out. And then you want to clean up the borders and the sides of the patch again with the permanent marker. Now I'm going to show you how I made this cactus patch. You want to draw the shape of your cactus in the pot that it will be sitting in with a pencil, and then you want to draw over the shapes again with a permanent marker. All you have to do is paint the cactus, and if you want you can sew the pot the cactus is in. I sewed the top part of the pot left to right and the bottom part of the pot top to bottom, and I sewed it the same way as the alien. For the spines of the cactus, I separated the yarn to one strand of yarn, and then I threaded the yarn onto a yarn needle and made X's on the cactus. Something that you should know is the paint does break, so make sure you don't make too many holes in the patch. All you have to do now is to cut the patch out and clean up the border with a permanent marker. Now I'm going to show you how I made this mouth patch. The first thing you want to do is to draw and cut out the top and bottom of the lips from felt. Then you want to lay out the lips onto the denim to see where the inside of the mouth is, and then you want to paint where the inside of the mouth will be any color that you want. Now you want to glue the lips onto the denim with fabric glue or tacky glue, and then you can draw a border around the mouth with a permanent marker. All you have to do to finish this patch is to cut it out, and then you can clean up the border with a permanent marker. And that's how you make these patches. In the comments down below, let me know which one of these patches is your favorite. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!